Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Volkswagen or Audi guys or Seat with a TSI engine. All these three vehicles, even Skoda guys in Europe as well. If you have one of those, you have an evap leak or something such as small evap leak, stay with us, we'll explain one simple fix guys. Because if you don't check that thing, you will start putting money in your engine, you will spend so much money and you will still not fix your problem. So stay with us, we'll explain how you can easily fix that. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. I want you guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos for you. Now, if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Volkswagen Audi vehicle, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So if you have a small evap leak, evaporative emission leak guys, what to look for. This is a TSI engine, specifically it's a 2.0, but even if you have 1.8 or a different smaller, even 3 cylinders TSI engines, procedure will be about the same. When you have gasoline engine guys, you have an evap system. This is the evaporative emission system. What it means that you have gasoline in your fuel tank. When it splashes, when it heats up, it evaporates, it creates pressure. Back in the day, those fumes from the gasoline used to be released in the atmosphere through the fuel cap. But now guys, okay, it's a closed system, and when you build pressure in the fuel tank, through that hose right here, it will bring those fuel vapors to the purge control valve. The engine computer will activate the purge control valve and it will say, okay, it's time to open. The fuel vapors will be injected in the intake manifold, they will burn through the engine, and it's a win-win situation. Your engine is efficient, you're not losing fuel, gives you extra power, and you're not polluting the atmosphere. But if you have that code, you need to check all your hoses usually guys to make sure that they're not cracked, loose, this hose here as well, or you may have a leaking purge control valve. We have a video on the channel that explains how to test purge control valve on the channel. But one thing that I will always check first guys, always, before I start putting money into anything else, will be the fuel cap. You can see on the fuel cap it says that the engine light may turn on if you don't get it tight. So if I remove that thing, let me show you here now that fuel cap consists of two components, one seal and one valve. If the evap system quits working, what will happen guys? Okay, you have that special valve that will actually it will guys release the fuel vapors in the atmosphere. Okay, that's the purpose of that. But if guys, if you notice right here, we actually have that seal, right there, and that seal guys, check it out now, that seal is super cracked. Ours has only 43,000 miles, and that cracked seal will actually not allow to build fuel pressure in the fuel tank. The sensor will detect that and it will practically guys say, okay, something's bad, so we have a leak, and it will throw that code. So it's very likely that you have a bad seal. I have a new cap right here. Let me show you what it looks like. This is the new cap. All you have to do is replace it. I'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get one from for a really good price. So hopefully guys that will fix your problem. Thank you for watching, see you next time.